Hey guys, it's Chris here. I'm going to give you a quick tip Thursday. Sitting inside of a 2006 Dodge Magnum. It's the SX or SE, basically the V6 two-wheel drive 2.7. Over here is, was the original radio bezel. As you can see, it pretty much cracked and wasn't doing so good anymore, so I opted to replace it. This came out of a 2007 Dodge Charger. I actually just went down to Pull and Pay today because subscribed to them on Facebook, and they said, hey, we just picked up an '07 Charger. So I'm like, alright, because these are getting pretty hard to find, honestly, especially if you go through the junkyard. So I figured I'd kind of show you guys how you can get this panel off and back on. It's actually just held in by clips. There's, I think, 2 or 3 across the top up here, and just kind of down on the side, buttoning it in. It detaches completely from the radio. The radio sits by itself. It's held in by 4 Phillips screws that you can then do after you pop this panel out. There's one wire up here that you'll have to disconnect when you get the panel loose, and if you're looking to remove this switch assembly here, it's held in by 2 4mm bolts against the case or against the bezel to pull this out. And then down here, the HVAC controls, they're held in by 4 4mm bolts on this side, and there's 2 wires, a total of 3. There's 2 kind of up toward the top up here. They're just squeeze tabs. You pull them out. The one back here is held in by a locking tab, a little locking red tab that you have to somehow release before you can squeeze. You use the squeeze tab to pull that one out. So when I did this, I mostly just I basically just pulled this out and unbolted the HVAC control panel, just because I didn't feel like messing with that locking tab. But that's pretty much how everything comes apart here in the center on these Magnums. But hopefully that helped. I hope you guys are having a great day, week, weeknight, whatever time it is, wherever you may happen to be. And I'll catch you in the next video.